Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. The present reference is made by learned single judge to the division bench of this court is preferred by the petitioners seeking to quash and set aside the complaint filed by respondent number 2 therein under the provisions of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, which has been filed before the Court of Metropolitan Magistrate at Ahmedabad. Stop. Para. When the said matter came up before the learned single judge of this court taking up special criminal applications, the learned single judge was pleased to pass the order : para. By this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioners original accused have prayed for the reliefs that your lordships be pleased to admit and allow this petition. Your lordships further be pleased to quash and set aside the complaint filed by the respondent number 2 herein under the provisions of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act before the learned Metropolitan Magistrate in the facts and circumstances of the case and in the interest of justice. Stop. Para. Pending admission, hearing and final disposal of this petition, your lordships be pleased to stay the further proceedings investigation in connection with the complaint filed by the respondent number 2 herein under the provisions of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act before the learned Metropolitan Magistrate Ahmedabad in the interest of justice. Stop. Any other and further orders which your lordships deem fit and proper be kindly passed in the interest of justice. Stop. Para. These very petitioners had in fact preferred criminal miscellaneous application praying for the same reliefs, and the said application was disposed of by this court wide order dated 24th August 2015, which reads as under : para. By this application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the applicant's original accused seek to quash the proceedings of the case filed by the respondent number 2 under the provisions of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 pending in the court of the learned Metropolitan Magistrate Court, Ahmedabad. Stop. Para. The learned advocate appearing for the applicants seeks permission to withdraw this application with a liberty to file appropriate proceedings before the appropriate forum in accordance with law. Stop. Para. The learned counsel appearing for the applicants had thought fit to withdraw the criminal miscellaneous application in view of the decision of this court rendered by a learned single judge in another case wherein the learned single judge has taken the view that the proceedings under the provisions of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 are not criminal in nature, and therefore the remedy would be to invoke civil jurisdiction and not the criminal jurisdiction of the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India or under Section 482 of the Code. Stop. It appears that a coordinate bench wide order dated 27th July 2015 passed in the special civil application dissented with such view stop. Para. Whether a writ proceeding is civil or criminal depends on the nature of relief claimed and grounds for such relief stop. Civil proceedings or criminal proceedings are not defined anywhere stop. The Constitution of India does not define the expression civil proceeding, nor does the General Clauses Act stop. The two proceedings are entirely different and distinct, though at times it may overlap to some extent stop. But the distinction between the civil proceedings and the criminal proceedings is well defined stop.